Good afternoon, everybody. It's Miss Betty, and I am cooking on Farm Ridge. And today, I'm going to actually do baked chicken again. But today, I have an entire whole chicken. I don't have just a part. So I wanted you to see how nicely I cleaned my chicken. It's important that you clean your chicken extremely well and make sure that it's dry. Make sure that you clean all down in this captivity and you get all this yuck out of your chicken. I know you don't want to touch it, but this will make your chicken taste so much better if you remove those items. So now I have all my favorite seasonings in this bowl, and what I am going to do is I am going to dress this little chicken, and I'm going to put all my favorite seasonings in here, and I'm just going to rub, do the inside really well. And I'm not telling you what seasoning to use because we all have our own favorite seasonings. It's just important that you season your chicken well, okay? Now what I do have in my chicken, in case you want to know, I do have some lemon pepper, I have some paprika, I have some Lawry's seasoning salt, and I have some black pepper. So I am just getting it really good, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the skillet like I normally do, and I'm going to sear it until it's brown, and then I will bake it in the oven at 375. This is a 6-pound chicken, so you need like 20 minutes per pound. So this chicken is probably going to be in the oven for a couple of hours. But this is my chicken. I'm going to put it in the skillet and sear it. I'll move it over there, and then I'll come right back and show you how far I have got. Okay? Okay, so now my chicken is ready to go in the skillet, and I am going to sear it. I have my oil that's been warming. Now remember, this is a 6-pound chicken, so it's not going to cook. I'm going to bake it in the oven. But what we're going to do here is we're going to get it all nice and brown. So I'm going to start it on the skin side. This is the whole chicken. Okay. Put in the oil. One of my legs kind of fell off, so I'll just leave it off. And then we'll go ahead and just get it all brown. Okay. So it's in the skillet. It's searing, and I'll get it nice and brown on both sides. And then I will come back to show you what it looks like before I put it in the oven and what I will do to finish my preparation for the oven, okay? As you can see, my chicken is getting nice and brown on both sides, but I just want it to be a really nice golden brown, as you see, like this. Then I'm going to put it in my pan on a bed of celery and onion because I want my chicken to have some flavor to it. Once I get it in the pan and garnished, I'll spray it with a little bit of canola oil, and I will top it with some parsley. I'll come back and I'll show you that when it is oven ready. Okay, as you can see, my chicken is now oven ready. See the nice goldness that's on the chicken? That's how you want your chicken to look after you sear it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to sprinkle just a little parsley over my chicken. And one of my final secrets that I do to make my chicken even more of a golden brown is that I'm going to spray it lightly with some canola oil. You don't want to spray it right on your chicken, so you do want to kind of like hold it up about 12 inches and spray your chicken lightly. Now, I'm going to put this in the oven on 375, and I'm going to leave it there for 2 hours. And when I come back, we are going to have some pretty brown, golden baked chicken. Remember, this chicken weighs 6 pounds, so it's going to take a while for it to cook. Sometimes when it's brown on the top, it'll fool you, but it's not done. So if you follow these steps, then you too can make some nice, wonderful baked chicken.